Hey, funky junk and sparkle chicks. Yes, I said funky. F-U-N-K-Y. Anyhow, I'm going to show you in this video how to make a glue mold candle pin for your candles using some hot glue and a little tiny flat-headed pin that I get from Amazon. You can find these on my Amazon store. They are just flat back furniture tacks. And what you want to do is you want to make sure you have an extremely hot glue gun. Okay, I'm going to grab a box here so I can raise it up just a little bit for you so you guys can see exactly what I am doing here. I'm going to use this fleur-de-lis mold. You guys know I love fleur-de-lis. So you want to have a nice, this is an IOD fleur-de-lis mold. Silicone, you can use any kind of silicone mold. They work out perfectly. I am going to show you how easy this is. So I always start off at the top of the point. I use a Surebonder cordless glue gun, comes in a charging station, and I use the 5-foot glue ropes from Surebonder. I simply hold it above the mold and I just start filling it, and you're gonna squeeze all that glue until it becomes level with the top of your mold. And I just kind of work my way around in all the areas and just fill it up enough to where that glue is going to spread out like so and just kind of seep out everywhere. As you can see right there, it is level. When you get all your glue in there, you're going to take one of these little flat back picks here and just stick it right in the center while your glue is still hot. Your glue will kind of like form around over it, and then you can add another little dab around there. Just make sure when you adding glue to your mold that you are doing it while everything is still wet. You don't want to let it dry and then add it, or it just gets really janky. So you're going to put that off to the side to dry. And here's another one that I did with this little rooster mold right here. When you're done with these, they literally, peeps, they will pop straight out just like so. Pull it out just like that. When it's all nice and dry, you'll know when it's dry. And when it's done, and I already did one earlier today, it looked like this. It was this bigger one. When you're doing the bigger molds, you kind of have to work in sections, but just make sure you're still adding your glue when everything is still wet and drying. When it's dry, you can pull this out and paint it. And here is one that I did earlier today. I decoupaged this candle with some decoupage queen paper. I painted this in my oil rubbed bronze finish, and I added a Totally Dazzled gem and stuck it right into my candle. This is a battery operated candle. Just put some batteries in there. Sometimes you have to hit it, but that is how amazing they are. And you would never know that this was simply a hot glue mold. They're pretty stinking amazing. Hope you guys enjoy and give it a try.